I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in your Nissan Leaf key. This simple task can be done at home with just a few common items. First, you will need to identify the correct battery, which is usually a CR2032 coin cell. Gather your new battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, preventing any tiny parts from getting lost during the process. Now that you have your tools ready, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or indentation along the edge of the key fob's casing. This is usually found on the side or bottom. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be sure to apply steady, even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you can now access the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side, usually the positive side, is facing upwards. Then, use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Once removed, carefully insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing in the same direction as the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Press the halves firmly together until you hear a distinct click, confirming that the casing is securely sealed all around. Once reassembled, take a moment to test your key fob's functionality by locking and unlocking your Nissan Leaf vehicle to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.